We're getting ready to do the Provo River. We've had a pretty crazy day here just trying to get on this river to just experience this. Hank has the luxury of living here, so he can do this anytime. Me, not so much, but we're gonna give it a shot. Should be a pretty crazy adventure, so feel free to follow along on the craziness, and we will let you know as we go along exactly how this is going to go. All right? We're going in a hole. Hang on. Okay. That's okay. We're in a hole. It's okay. It's okay. Okay. That was a lot quicker than I thought it was. We are cooking up some bird's eye. Looks pretty good so far. Should be a few minutes before this is really good. We can't go with chains. We gotta just drag her up the hill. We'll worry about chains later. We call this a CTC, which stands for Cargo Trailer Conversion, or Cargo Trailer Camper, or Cargo Trailer Crap, whatever you want to call it. It has all kinds of names. In case you're wondering what 4-week-old poop looks like after it's been chemically treated, and there's your answer. A mom to 17 children, I would thought you might have had like 30 of those cards.
Oh, this is just for 2 days?
Got her phone in a bag. She's like, hang on to the Ziploc bag. All right, don't run these guys over. No! Yeah, go ahead and just kick us off. That's fine. Thanks. That's fine. We can't really go anywhere than when the river takes us anyway. Whoa! Turn to the side. There we go. I feel like I'm sitting in a kiddie pool in this thing. Okay, don't overdo it. Stay out in the middle. Okay. Oh, crap. You see it, Hank?
What is it?
The rocks.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, we need to get as far to the right as possible now. We're not going to have a choice here, so be ready to... Oh, I didn't teach you how to defend. My bad. This could hurt a little bit, I'm not going to lie. I'm trying to... Yep, just keep digging us up. Dig us away from the rocks. Away from the rocks. No, not that way. Okay, we're good. We're good. Straighten her out. Stay... No, you're turning us the wrong way, Hank. Let me turn us. All right. I got to teach you to steer a little more. Jeez, I'm crow. Okay. Woo! All right, we're going over here because we can't go. You guys keep us in the middle of the river. You were spinning us towards the rock. That's fine. I'll take it. I'll take it. Out. If we could just get another foot of water here. These guys probably like it shallow though. Probably good for the fish. Okay. Whew. Oh, now we're headed down to where we took out. Now we need to probably duck a little bit, Hank, under here, or we're gonna end up getting. Oh, really? He says, really? You? Well, I'm pretty tall, so tell you what. You stay up there. I'll stay down here. We'll see who gets our head whacked. Here we go. Vivian Park Bridge. I think I'll just kind of, if you don't mind. Yeah, whack.
How's it deep?
It's not. Remember, this was that area I said we might have to shove? There's something right here, Hank. Hold on. Whoa, whatever this is. Oh, that was the waterfall? Pfft, come on, please. That was a waterfall? That's what she said, waterfall ahead. That's it. See that how commercialized they made this beautiful river. you know, I'm not saying that this adventure wasn't amazing, and I'm glad to be here with my friend Hank, and the Lord blessed us with a crazy day, but you can clearly see that they've commercialized. They literally, like, paved paradise and put up a parking lot, which you guys hear me mention a lot in my videos, but this is a great example of that. You can't even, like leave here if you wanted to. This is, I guess they bought a piece of the river. I don't know. We saw a sign way back. I don't know if it's in the video, but there was a sign that said that the riverbed was private property. I don't know how you can own a riverbed, but anyway, I'm just going to continue the kayak and continue the... See the fish jump?
No, I didn't see
Right there. You don't see the
Did
jump?
you catch it?
I don't know if... What? Who caught it?
Have you seen it? YouTube, the glasses.
Oh yeah, the video's on. Yeah. Down there. Whoa, deep, Hank. Yeah, deep. Very deep. Oh, come back here. Oh no, don't you go to her. Oh my God. Oh, this is so cold.
I told you.
I feel like I'm going to hypothermia, but I'm not. Oh, oh my word. Oh. Oh, I'm gonna be freezing my mama's off. Okay, I'm just gonna think warm thoughts. I do not have a crotch anymore. It is officially gone. Oh, yeah, it's over my head easily. Oh my God, it's cold. It's really cold, boys and girls. Oh, so cold. Oh, hold on, Hank. Hold on, Hank, I can stand. Oh, oh my God. Yeah, I'm gonna try for an entrance. Hold on, I'm gonna get out of the current here. It's all mushy here. Yeah, really. Okay, watch out. Gotta fix my seat. Yeah, easier said than done. How is it that you're so far into the kayak like that? Whew. Hold on. This is all twisted. Shouldn't be like that. Can you hold my paddle? How long? You're the native. Enough time to make it out of here? Or are we done for? Okay. All right, I'm gonna try to get in. One leg at a time. Hold on. Trying to stand. I don't think we're gonna have to go to the shore.
You could just jump in.
No, because it will flood the kayak. It's too low. Let me try walking. Let's walk it over. Here, I'll pull it across. We'll go over here. There's a spot where I can pull it. Right here. Oh, wow. Thanks for the ride. Oh wow, there's a giant something or other right here. Oh my God, what is that? I feel like I'm walking in spit. Dude, it's like a giant wad of hair. Oh wow, got shallow here. This should be good. Okay. Oh my God, I'm so cold. Oh, okay. Oh my God, that was cold. Give me my paddle. Oh yeah, I'm ready, my man. Let's go again. Oh, that was very refreshing. Just takes your heart and your lungs away. Oh my word. Okay. All right. Okay, we continue down the river. In front of us. He's like, oh, look at him. I'm out of here, he says. Dig it in. Yeah, the dam, Hank, is probably really close to, if you look at it, you can see where the road is going high. There's a road below it that no one's on. Man, this is crazy. We're not moving at a good pace anymore. Even though we've got rapids pushing us down, we still got the wind going against us. Now we're really earning it. Okay. It was all fun and games up top. Now we're really putting our paces in. It's okay, I needed to warm up anyway. Oh, see, when we do that, that means we're on the wrong side. There we go. Yeah. I remember this, Hank. It was this open area and I looked down and said we'd probably kayak through this. All right, we're getting there. At the end of our trip, we can go no further unless we want to go the hard way. I think we can go under that bridge and then there's a takeout on the other side. Don't quote me on that. Can you read the sign? There's a big sign. What does it say? Hank? Really? The red and white one? He's trying to think about whether he wants to come in after us. Dam Bridge, 8.5 miles downriver from where we started on this adventure on the Provo. And it says, danger, no swimming or watercraft beyond this point. In other words, if you value your life, don't go under that bridge. So we're going to get out and get everything taken care of from here, and we'll go from here. All right, this looks like our spot. Pulling up. Here we go. This way? Oh wait! Oh, you want to do it on the shore? Yeah. Okay, tilt it this way, away from the backpack. 1, 2, 3. Okay, she's good. All right, let's get her up on the shore. Where's the paddle? We'll put the paddles inside. Put the paddle on the kayak. All right, 1, 2, 3, up. Watch the rocks. Yeah, we'll set it right here. Right here, Hank. Right here, it's fine. Right here's fine. Woo! My man! Yeah! 8.5 miles. Yep. Car will be right on the other side of that thing there. Porting past the dam. Man. She's like, I've been here for 3 hours by the car. I'm like, what? She didn't sound unhappy. I was like, you sat there for 3 hours? We said we'd call her when we took out at the dam. You heard me say that, right? Okay. I hope so, because she said she knew where the dam was, and I said we would call her when we got to the end. Well, there's your answer, 3.5 hours. Well, no, because she left. We were probably at least another half hour before we put in, after we talked to her, because we had to blow up the kayak and all that other stuff, so. Yeah, these water shoes are not made for walking. You can feel after you walk like a couple feet. Huh? This part's not the fun part. The kayaking part's the fun part. Breaking it down, cleaning it off, all that's the boring stuff. Okay. Alright, lift her up. Keep your water clean. On the Provo River trip, Hank has gone and gotten the to get the truck, and we will deflate the kayak and go back to his house and dry off. Again, if you stayed with us and you enjoyed the trip, feel free to like and subscribe. More cool adventures coming your way soon. Thank you again for tuning in to the Tiny Wonderland. Have a good day, everyone.